In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share calendars in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to let coworkers or collaborators see the right level of detail on your schedule, whether you're using Outlook on the web, the new Outlook, or the classic desktop app. First, open Outlook and go to your calendar. Click the calendar icon so you're looking at your schedule rather than your inbox. This is the home base for everything we're about to do. Next, start the sharing process. If you're on the web or using the new Outlook experience, select your calendar and look for Share Calendar in the ribbon or toolbar at the top. If you're on the desktop version, find your calendar in the list on the left, right-click it, and choose Sharing Permissions or Share Calendar. The wording can vary slightly depending on your version, but both options take you to the same place, the sharing panel where you control who sees what. Now add the people you want to share with. In the box provided, type a name or an email address. Outlook will usually suggest people from your organization as you type, which helps you pick the right person quickly. If you're sharing with someone outside your company, make sure you type their full email address so the invitation goes to the correct inbox. With the person added, set their permission level using the drop-down next to their name. Think about how much detail you're comfortable sharing. Can view titles and locations shows just the subject and where you'll be, which is great for basic coordination. Can view all details exposes everything on the event, including notes and attendees, for full transparency. Can edit lets that person modify events on this calendar, which is helpful for a partner or team lead who helps manage your schedule. Delegate grants the highest level of collaboration, allowing them to create and respond to meeting requests on your behalf, similar to an assistant role. Choose the level that matches the trust and responsibilities you want to provide. When you're ready, send the invitation. Click Share, and Outlook will email the person a link to accept. They'll need to accept before they can see your calendar, and once they do, your calendar will appear in their list and reflect the permissions you selected. If they don't see it right away, ask them to check their inbox and possibly their junk folder. That's it. Thanks for watching.